Welcome to AI Tools for Everyone, the limitless potential of artificial intelligence. Here, we dive into the world of AI-powered tools that can help you work smarter, create faster, and live better. And on this channel, we explore everything from productivity hacks and creative breakthroughs to income-generating ideas, all powered by AI. Best AI tools for beginners. New AI tools. How AI can boost your business. Is AI for everyone? Can AI make you rich? Let's find out. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, or tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Ready to transform your life with the power of AI? Let's make it happen. Subscribe now and join the revolution. This is AI Tools for Everyone, where technology meets possibilities. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon.